The scanning electron microscope is used to examine A. Antigens, B. Antibodies, C. Anticoagulants, D. Cell surfaces. The correct answer is cell surfaces. At the critical drying point there is no surface tension between A. Gas and oil, B. Gas and liquid, C. Liquid and liquid, D. Oil and liquid. The correct answer is gas and liquid. In SEM the image is formed by the electrons that A. reflect back, B. ionize, C. undergo inversion, D. pass through. The correct answer is reflect back. In the preparation of samples for SEM the specimens are air dried by a process of critical point drying. A. True, B. false, C. D. The correct answer is true. The AFM uses A to scan the surface of a molecule. A. X-ray film, B. nanosized tip, C. non-metal tip, D. nanodrope. The correct answer is nanosized tip.